Oh hey, it's Kay, and today I'm crocheting a poncho for the first time ever, guys. As soon as I saw this yarn in Michael's, this is Karen Smash Cakes, I was like, yeah, I need this for a poncho immediately because I'm about to be in my poncho era. Okay, I'm going to be crocheting skirts, I'm going to be crocheting ponchos, and so I was like, yeah, let's start getting yarn. First of all, look at this colorway. Let's start getting some yarn for these ponchos. And this is the first poncho, or going to be the first poncho, the first colorway that I'm using for my poncho. And I'm just so excited. This colorway is called Slushy. Yes, it's called Slushy for those who want it. And yeah, that's it. I have the tutorial pulled up right now and I'm going to start on it. It's literally like about to be evening time, so we're gonna be crocheting this into the night, but that's okay. I just really wanted to start the project and I was like, I need to film this. So here we go. Oh, hello guys. Update on the poncho. This is what it's looking like so far. Look at that. Oh my gosh. This colorway, I'm obsessed. And then how open it is. I started with a 5mm hook and then I was like, too tight. I grabbed my 8mm so fast and it is perfect. Go up. And yeah, so I'm like, let's see how it is on me so far. I have never worn a poncho before in my life. I don't know how to wear ponchos. I mean, I look at the tutorial and that's how I know. So let's see. It is this long because I want it in my neck like this. And yeah, so I think I'll make it until it's like a little bit past my belly button. I feel like that'll be a good one, a good length. And yeah, this is gonna be so cute, guys. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. In the sun, it looks like beautiful jewel colors. Like, oh, so good. Okay, so let's continue. This is the yarn, how much yarn I have left so far, so still a good bit. And yeah, so just wanted to give you guys that update because I'm about to zoom and probably finish this panel today. Fingers crossed. Guys, I finished the first panel. It is so perfect. Oh my gosh, I am so obsessed. I'm so excited. Now it is time to do the exact same panel again and then put them together. And this is like super easy. I'm so glad I crocheted this as my first poncho because now I know a super beginner friendly, simple, basic poncho pattern because I do have other poncho tutorials saved where it looks a little challenging. Okay, so I'm like, thank you for doing this first. So, and I just wanted to use this yarn first. I am so, bro, I'm obsessed with this colorway, like I said before so many times. I'm gonna take a little break and then I will get to crocheting the second panel. Guys, I finished the second panel, so now it is time to put these two together and complete the poncho. I need to watch the tutorial to see how I'm going to do that because I forgot. So I'm going to do that and then I'll be back when the poncho is done. I'll probably show you guys tomorrow because it is getting dark. So I'll put it together, show you what it looks like tomorrow. And yeah, that'll be it. Oh my God. This is so easy and so fun. Oh, did someone say poncho? Poncho? Stop it right now. Are you kidding me? Let me put this camera down a little bit so you can see like the end of it. Oh, dude. OMG. There is no, I made this, guys. I made this poncho. Are you kidding me? It looks amazing. I put a black tank top underneath it, made it off the shoulder because I just love that look. And it is just stunning, 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 stunning. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? I am about to make so many ponchos, bro. Y'all might get tired of me. Like, oh, and I have so many tutorials to follow because I saved so many different poncho videos. So I'm going to be ponchoing it out. I have been missing out. I've never crocheted, knitted, made, sewed, nothing ever made a poncho before. This is my first ever poncho, guys. What do you mean I've been missing out? I've been missing out. Guys, when my sister saw the fit, she literally screamed because we want to be more whimsy with our wardrobe, you know, with the nice little big earrings. I want to look like I'm about to read your palm or something, you know what I'm saying? So my future is bright. Are you kidding me? I need to take pictures, bro, but it is so cloudy outside. So I will see if the sun comes out later today because it's like 10 a.m., 11 a.m. It is not 10 a.m. or 11 a.m. It's probably 12 p.m., probably about to be 1 p.m. actually because my alarm went off for 12. Oh, anyway. Hopefully the sun comes out a little more. Even if it doesn't, I can still take some pictures and then just adjust everything in settings, you know, because I look so good right now. I need to take pictures. So here it is. Let me move my mic away. Stop, guys. And it was so easy. Just one panel, a second panel, put them together. Make sure you have your little neck hold and everything, and that's it. You know, some increases, and that's it. The tutorial was literally like 8 minutes, so very easy. I'll link the tutorial down below for you guys so you can look as good as me. And I love this yarn. Oh my gosh, the yarn. I need to get this in every color because the color changing, yes, I love it so much. I'm just like, oh, and I keep moving my mic back and forth so you can see the off the shoulder and then me with my arm like this. And it's just, wow. wow, 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 wow. It turned out even better than I expected. So anyway, tutorial is linked down below for you guys so you can follow it yourselves. And that's going to be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I am so obsessed with this poncho. I hope you are as well. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, if you want some of my crochet patterns, I have them linked down below. They're on my Ravelry and my Etsy. I'm going to be making more videos about those patterns and making... Oh my gosh, who's making all that noise? I'm going to be making more versions of my patterns so you can see it in different yarn and colors and everything. And I'm also working on some other patterns as well. Some tees, some bags, maybe like a bucket or something. Yeah, I have lots in the queue, so be prepared for those. And that's it. Don't forget to comment a green heart down below if you made it this far, and I'll see you guys in the next one.